So I'm changing the wheel hub on a 2018 F150, and you're supposed to be able to get the rotor off the wheel hub. Luckily, I'm putting new cross-drilled and slotted rotors, but I had to pry the shit out of the actual rotor up against these corners right here. I had to stick the pry bar right in here. See the pry bar down there? I had to like kind of shove in the edges of it right here, and then just try to pry it back and hit it with the hammer on the other side. And I finally got it to let loose, but that rotor never came off the hub. Thank God that I'm actually changing the rotor, because it was such a pain in the butt. I had to fight it till I finally got it off. So now I'm gonna clean it up and put it back on. Put on the new one. Actually, I got the new one right here. Here's a new one, brings the cable and everything. There's a new one there, so I'll go ahead and take care of that now. Alright, so I finally got the piece out. This is the old one. Never actually got it off the rotor, but thank God I'm going to be switching up the rotors, because that rotor's like frozen on there. I don't know what the hell, but I can't get that thing off. Don't matter, that's going in the garbage. Here's the new one. I went ahead and cleaned up inside the hub there. Scraped it up with a metal brush. Scraped it up a little bit with a regular brush, just got it nice and cleaned off, wiped it down with a towel, blew it off a little bit, and then went ahead and installed the new hub. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up now, and then turn the wheel a little bit so I can tighten up that fourth bolt. There's that fourth bolt right there on the floor. So I got 3 bolts on there. I'm going to tighten them up and then turn the wheel. But yeah, man, I don't know how the hell I was going to get that rotor off if I was going to reuse the rotor. So I'm glad that I got new rotors. We'll see how that comes out. Cross drilled and slotted rotors, baby. New brakes right there. Yeah, buddy. Woo, baby. Cross drilled and slotted rotors. Passenger side now. I already did the driver's side. Here's the old rotor. Brand new brakes. Let me show you the other side so you can take a look here. I gotta clean the rims and everything, but you can see the cross drilled and slotted rotors there installed. Brand new brakes. So I'm gonna finish buttoning everything up, and then I'm gonna do the oil change. But yeah, that's gonna be nice.